Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Edge 20 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them. Then you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download, so misclick. Download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now click on I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow on both of them. Then select receive on an Android and send on Motorola. After that, click on all of those dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only click on this one photo, choose send and click on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, choose allow and point your camera at the code. Now we have to wait a couple of minutes, or seconds in my case, and as you can see my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!